It's June 24th and it's open. Cultus Lake Adventure Park is open. Let's go have some fun. All right, Ma, let's get on the carousel. Where would you like to go, Ma? You get on that one? All right. You want me on the monkey. My mom wants me on the monkey. Sure, she wants me to get on the one that's hardest one to get onto. All right, here we go.
Ready?
Oh my goodness, what have you done, monkey? Oh my.
Ready for this?
No, I'm not ready for this.
You just don't allow selfie sticks on the ride.
What's that?
You just don't, the one rule we have is no selfie sticks.
How about like that?
Yeah, sure.
Right. No selfie sticks. No selfie sticks?
Oh,
So,
that's okay.
yeah. Whoa. I'm scared. I'm scared. It's so scary. Ah! It's so scary.
Not scary.
Oh, dang, it's so scary. It's a big gorilla. It's scary. I don't think he likes me. It's scary. Do you think he likes me? Do you think he likes me? I think he likes me. Oh, where are you going back there? Hi. I picked the wrong one. I think this one's faster than the other one. Oh no, so scary. Hi. It's slowing down. Oh no. That was scary. I think this is the scariest ride on the whole place. Oh, it better not leave me at the top. What, do they think I am, a tall person? Oh no. We made it. Yay. Now we have to hit the exit, which is that way. Yes, you did it, Ma. You did the carousel.
It was really jerky.
What do you call it, jerky?
Was your ride jerky?
Don't forget to subscribe and check us out for the next ride. See you guys soon. That was bad. Why'd you make me do that? Oh.